the passenger cabin there will be 3 pedals. It is shortly called as ABC, that is accelerator, brake and clutch. Can you ever wonder how does that clutch work? How the engine transmits power from engine to gearbox or wheels? During waiting in traffic ever wondered how vehicle is not in movement although the engine is working? During uphill how vehicle is balanced during start? All the answers comes when we know about clutch and its functions. The clutch is a mechanical device that specifically engages and disengages the power transmission from the driving shaft to the driven shaft. In these devices, one shaft is usually connected to an engine or another power unit driving member, while the other shaft, driven member, provides output power for the work. Following are the different types of clutches using in automobile industries. Single plate clutch, multi-plate clutch, cone clutch, centrifugal clutch, semi-centrifugal clutch, conical spring clutch or diaphragm clutch, tapered finger type, crown spring type, friction clutch, dog clutch, spline clutch, hydraulic clutch, electromagnetic clutch, vacuum clutch, overrunning clutch or freewheel unit. Multi-plate clutch further divided into 2 types based on lubrication. They are wet clutch, dry clutch. Cone clutch is also has 2 types. They are external clutch, internal clutch. First we shall see about single plate clutch in this video. Single plate clutches are one of the most commonly used types of clutches used in most modern light vehicles, preferable in passenger cars. It consists of a clutch plate, friction plate, pressure plate, flywheel, bearings, clutch spring and nut bolts arrangement. Working of single plate clutch. In a vehicle, we operate the clutch by pressing the clutch to pedal for disengagement of gears. Then springs get compressed and the pressure plate moves backwards. Now the clutch plate becomes free between the pressure plate and flywheel. Due to this now the clutch is getting disengaged and able to shift the gear. This makes flywheel to rotate as long as the engine is running and the clutch shaft speed reduces slowly and then it stops rotating. As long as the clutch pedal is pressed, the clutch is said to be disengaged, otherwise, it remains engaged due to the spring forces. After releasing the clutch pedal, the pressure plate comes back to its original position and clutch is again engaged. Multi-plate clutch. These types of clutches use multiple clutches to make frictional contact with the flywheel of the engine. The increased number of friction surfaces also increases the capacity of the clutch to transmit torque. The multiple clutches have 2 characters: dry and wet. If the clutch is operated in an oil bath, it is known as a wet clutch. If the clutch is operated dry without oil, it is known as a dry clutch. The wet clutches are commonly used in connection with or as a part of the automatic transmission. It is preferably used in 2-wheelers where small area is available.
போட்டோல பாத்திருப்ப, சினிமால பாத்திருப்ப, டிவில பாத்திருப்ப, ஏன் கூண்டுல கூட பாத்திருப்ப. கம்பீரமா காட்டுல நடந்து பாத்திருக்கியா? வெறித்தனமா தனியா நின்னு வேட்டையாடி பாத்திருக்கியா? ஓங்கி அடிச்சா 1.5 டன் வெயிட்ரா. பாக்குறியா?